Now in this lecture, we will talk about the Ethernet frames. The data link layer is responsible for combining bits into bytes and bytes into frames. Frames are used at the data link layer to encapsulate handed down from the network layer for transmission on the type of physical media access. The function of Ethernet stations is to pass data frames between each other using a group of bits known as a MAC frame format. Now, this provides error detection from a cyclic redundancy check. But remember, this error detection and not error correction, which means it will only detect that something has happened, but it will not correct the error. Now, the 802.3 IEEE Internet frame format, Ethernet frame format, is on your screen right now, and I will explain what those each field means. Now, first one is the preamble, which is a 7-byte field. An alternating 1-0 pattern provides a clock at the start of each packet, which allows the receiving devices to lock the incoming bit stream. Then comes start of frame delimiter. Now the preamble is 7 octets, right? And the start of the frame, that is SOF, is 1 octet. The SOF is always set to 10101011, where the last pair of the ones allows the receiver to come into the alternating 1-0 pattern somewhere in the middle and synchronizes the data and detect the beginning and ending of the data. Then comes the destination address. The destination address is a 48-bit value using the least significant bit first. The destination address is used by receiving stations to determine whether an incoming packet is addressed to a particular host and can be individual address or a broadcast or multicast MAC address. Remember that a broadcast is all ones and is sent to all the devices, but a multicast is sent only to a similar subset of hosts on a network. Then comes the source address. The source address is a 48-bit MAC address used to specify the transmitting device, and it uses the LSB first, that is the least significant bit. Broadcast and multicast address formats are illegal within the source address field. Then is the length or the type. 802.3 uses a length field, but the Ethernet frame uses a type field to identify the network layer protocol. Then comes the data. This is a packet sent down to the data link layer from the network layer. The size can vary from 64 to 1500 bytes. And the last is the frame check sequence, that is the FCS. Now, frame check sequence is a field that is at the end of the frame and is used to store the cyclic redundancy checksum, that is the CRC. Now, you do not need to actually remember all these Ethernet frames, but you should have an overview if anyone asks about you. Now, in the next lecture, I will tell you about the Ethernet that is being implemented at the physical layer and how the Ethernet is implemented using the different Ethernet specifications.